Hey everyone, we are out in the field over here. We will be weeding these beans. They aren't super bad, but they'll probably take a decent amount of time. Let's get started. Guys, before we do any more, I want to tell you about a very handy tool. It's called a wire weeder, which as you see makes sense with those wires there. You can just go like this and it gets all the weeds out, especially with those grass weeds. It gets them out at the roots like that, and it makes it very handy for smaller weeds, medium-sized weeds. They're very good for weeding carrots, beets, or anything. So all that said, let's get back to work. Guys, I literally forgot the one glove I needed because I got cut with a fish hook and it's kind of hard to pull out weeds with the hands. So I'm just gonna have to go like this.
Now we got the real pro right here, brother.
You're slow.
What?
You're slow.
I know I'm slow, but I'm still a pro.
This bean row is done. One down and 7 more to go. At least someone else is out here. Sorry. At least someone else is out here to help take a little bit of the burden off.
Yeah. I always try to come through for my brothers, you know. As one of their favorite brothers, that's kind of my job right there. It's just, I try not to be like too nice of a guy, but most of the time I am. So I saw him slaving out here and I'm like, well, I really don't want him just to have to go through all the misery. So now I'm just slobbering, drooling over my brother's work.
Guys, this much, it's not that hot out here compared to some summer days, but it's always hot for farm people.
Sorry, I'm a kind of hot guy, so whenever I walk around, people always just start sweating. But
I was just trying to brag, but okay. We're gonna work on these 2 rows, or the rest of these, and hopefully he'll actually do some work and not miss weed. Okay, now that you came and slowed us down, get to work.
man, if you want to actually see what I'm doing, you could better put it in slow-mo, because I work so fast it looks like I'm working in time-lapse. Woo! Alright, cut it right there, because now I'm gonna go slow.
Okay.
That was a good one. That was a good one. You like that one, Dan?
Sure.
Oh, hopefully you're still video.
I am.
A wire weeder on this.
Guys, he was like right there when I started, and like I'm already even with him just because of this wire weeder. We just finished the 2 rows that we had started, and this had overheated, so we don't have those recorded. So give me the reasons why you think it overheated.
Because it was hot.
So we have 5 rows left. There's 3 harder ones. This row actually looks amazing, Matt.
So basically, all that we have left is a lot of weeding to do. And all that we had left when we started was a lot more weeding to do. So we're getting close to the end because we went from a lot more to just a lot. Right, Dan?
Sure.
Sure. So, you see the light at the end of the tunnel. Anywho, let's rip and roll again. I love video editing because I can basically just take out all the dumb stuff that I do out of the videos. Like, the dumb stuff that isn't funny.
Which is 99% of what he talks about.
Burned!
Take that out.
No, I'm gonna like edit in some flames. Alright, so sorry for not filling you in. But basically what we're doing now is we're just weeding more rows of beans. So let's go.
Dude.
What?
I just forgot something.
What?
I forgot to put on deodorant.
Wait, who's market this morning? Wait. Guess what?
No way, that is so embarrassing.
I forgot too! No way! Oh man.
I can't believe it.
I know. Well, I mean, I sort of can because it was market this morning. And like, when you wake up, you aren't really thinking. So.
Wait, don't take a shower too.
Well, I took a shower. Well, I'm gonna go in because like when you go in public, like if we go to Ace to get propane, like I don't want to be smelling like VO, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go in quick and get some deodorant. So, yeah.
Some good Old Spice.
Old Spice, fresh.
Wilderness with lavender.
High endurance, that's the important part, so.
Or Bear Glove.
Yeah, sure. So, we're gonna see you after we get deodorant on. I don't know if I'm gonna include this part of the video. It's kind of embarrassing. Actually, I probably will. I don't know. So, yeah. Let's get back to work. The boys checking in here.
We have the 3 hardest rows left.
Alright folks, we're just checking in. And we only have 1 more row left, right Dan? Yes sir, only 1 more row. See this bad boy right down the center here? Not quite the center, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Alright, so let's get to work. Sorry, I'm not gonna wait.
I'm gonna pick up super fast, right?
I'm literally just spinning out the whole time. Whoa, we did a little drift. That was kind of, it wasn't dangerous. We were doing it safely. I'll be the mature one. He's just showing his immaturity. Wow, immature, immature. Oh man, he ran over the drip irrigation thing. Unbelievable. Like I'm the one to talk, you know. We just had good old-fashioned farm fun. Alright folks, thanks for watching. That will be it for today. Don't forget to wear your deodorant, and I will see you whenever I see you next.